In today's tech time, let's see about data cleaning and importance, its applications and data cleaning cycle and their methods. In the world of data analysis, clean data is crucial for accurate insights. In this post, we'll explore what data cleaning is and why it's important. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of finding and removing errors, inconsistencies, duplications, and missing entries from data to increase data consistency and quality, also known as data scrubbing or cleansing. Why is data cleaning so important? Real-world data is noisy and contains a lot of errors. They are not in their best format. So, it becomes important that these data points need to be fixed. It is estimated that data scientists spend between 60 to 80% of their time in data cleaning. Not cleaning your data can lead to serious consequences, such as incorrect business decisions, wasted resources, and even legal issues. It's essential to make sure your data is accurate and reliable before making any important decisions. Data cleaning tools: Microsoft Excel, popular data cleaning tool; programming languages: Python, Ruby, SQL; data visualizations to spot errors in your dataset; proprietary software: OpenRefine, Trifacta, etc. Benefits of data cleaning: avoiding mistakes, improving productivity, avoiding unnecessary costs and errors, staying organized. Improved mapping. Data cleaning cycle.